ఏంటది పోతుంది ఏ అంట ఇండస్ట్రియల్ పాలసీ ఇన్ ఇండియా. Industrial policy in India has shifted in recent years towards strategic self-reliance or global value chain integration, moving away from broad deregulation to aggressive incentive-driven manufacturing. Central to this approach are the production-linked incentive schemes and the national mission manufacturing, which target deep integration. What is Industrial Policy 2026? An industrial policy refers to a government's strategic efforts to guide and stimulate the growth of its manufacturing and commercial factors. Broadly, it involves utilizing subsidies, tariff, investment and regulations to boost local production, encourage innovation and achieve specific economic for national goal. Which did the India announce its new industrial policy? The landmark new industrial policy in India was formulated in 1991, introduced on July 24, 1991. The policy marked a massive shift in India economic framework, transitioning the country from a closed government-controlled system to an open market-driven economy through the sweeping liberalization, privatization and globalization reforms. What is the sixth industrial policy of India? Industrial policy statement of 1977 focused on small-scale industries, criticized 1956 policy and focused small-scale and tiny industries. The unit definition defined unit with investment to machinery of 1 lakh, located towns or villages with population of less than 50,000. What are the four pillars of mill? Four pillars of the what is the future?